Hudson, come get me. Come on, Lieutenant Dan. Come on, Lieutenant Dan. Where are you going? Where are you going? Hi. Hi. Oh, you're in prison. You can't get out, can you? Hi. Hi. Oh, there's Dixie. Go get Dada. Go get Dada. Go get Daddy. Go get Daddy. Where are you going? Okay, let's go in the kitchen. Where are you going? There you go. What'd you find? What'd you find? Oh, a piece of lint. Thank you. Let's see. Did you find a piece of lint? You can't get out. You can't get out. There you go. There goes Lieutenant Dan. Oh. It's okay. Did you hit your head? Bah. Off you go. Off you go. Mom. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye. See ya. You have to wave over here. Okay, bye-bye. There you go. Around the corner.